Hello learners. It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about the forces in nature. Before we start, can anyone tell me what are some forces in nature?
I know. There are forces in wind and forces in moving water.
Yes, that's right. How do these forces make things move?
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a plastic ball and a basin filled with water. To set up, place the ball gently into the water. Make sure that there is no wind nearby. We are now ready to start the experiment. Blow wind at the water. Observe what happens to the water and ball. Pause and discuss.
The forces in wind causes the water to move.
When the water starts moving, the ball starts moving too.
Yes. Both the forces in the wind and flowing water cause the ball to move. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.